Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Auth UI. To activate Auth UI patterns with Auth0 and React, you need to start by creating an Auth0 account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications section in your Auth0 dashboard. Click on the Create Application button. Choose a name for your application and select Single Page Application as the application type. After creating your application, go to the Settings tab. Take note of your domain, client ID, and client secret, as you'll need these later. Next, open your React project in your favorite code editor. Install the Auth0 React SDK by running npm install at auth0/auth0 react in your terminal. After installation, import Auth0 provider from auth0/auth0 react in your main entry file, typically index.js or app.js. Wrap your application component with Auth0 provider. Pass the domain and client ID as props to Auth0 provider. This will give your entire application access to the Auth0 context. Create a new component, for instance, loginbutton.js, to handle user login. Within this component, import useauth0 from auth0/auth0 react. Use the useauth0 hook to access the login with redirect function. Create a button that calls login with redirect when clicked. Next, create a logoutButton.js component for handling user logout. Import useauth0 in this component as well and use the logout function. Create a button that calls logout when clicked, passing the return to option to direct users back after logout. Now, to display user information, create a profile.js component. Import useauth0 and retrieve user data from the hook. Use conditional rendering to display the user profile only when data is available. To manage authentication state, create a private route.js component. Use React Router to protect routes that should only be accessible to authenticated users. In this component, check if the user is authenticated and render the desired component or redirect to the login page accordingly. Finally, integrate these components into your main application layout. Test the login and logout functionalities to ensure they work as expected. You've now activated Auth UI patterns with Auth0 in your React application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.